Hi guys, today we're going to discuss Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint Method 1 from 2022 October. The past paper code is 1112/01. The duration is for 1 hour for this paper. Total mark is 50 and no calculator is allowed for paper 1. Not allowed calculator. Let's get started with the first question. You may pause this video in between if you want to find your own answer first and then see the discussion. So after the question is read, then there will be explanation followed. Let's get started. Question 1. Anastasia collects information to investigate this statement. Older teachers pay more for their cars than younger teacher. Pick the two items that are most relevant to her investigation. If the teacher is male or female, the age of the teacher, the subject of the teacher teaches, the price the teacher paid for their car. So the topic is about older pays more than younger. So you may pause this video if you want to do your own answer first. Here is the explanation. Older teacher is related to the age, and then pay more related to the price. So this will be our answer. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Oliver throws a ball at a basketball hoop 20 times. He scores a basket 7 times. He misses the basket 13 times. Use this information to estimate the probability of Oliver scoring a basket. Okay, the timer will start now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Then let's check out your answer. So it's a 7/20. How do we get this? Total is 20. The probability of scoring a basket is 7 times. So it's 7 out of total is 20. That's how we got the answer. Next, let's move on. Question 3. When Eva works for each hour, she earns $25 each. Work out how much she earns when she works for 10 hours. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you got your answer. Let's check it out. So it's $250 as Eva for each hours is 25 times 8. It means for 10 hours is 25 times 10. We get 250. Let's move on to question number 4. If you have any question, please feel free to write in the comment section in Susan Hira YouTube channel. MarkScheme past paper by Susan Hira YouTube channel. Question 4. Yusuf has a 2-liter bottle of water. He pours the water into 50 milliliter glasses. Work out how many glasses Yusuf could completely fill. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is 40 glasses. How does it work? So 2 liters is equals to 2000 milliliter. This we must remember. And so 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So he pours into a glass of 50 milliliters. So 2000 divided by 50, we got cross the 0, 200 divided by 5 is 40. Let's move on to question 5. Question 5 says, here are the cost of buying theater tickets from a booking agency. Adult ticket is $65 each. Child ticket is $45 each. So Hassan buys 2 adult tickets and 2 child tickets. The booking agency charges an extra 5% of the total cost as a booking fee. Work out how much Hassan's pay altogether. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well, you might pause this video if you're not finished. Let's check out the answer, guys. So here we go. So Hassan must pay $231. This is how it works. So 65 times 2 it's 130. 45 times 2 is 90. Then we add up 130 and 90 becomes 220. Now an extra 5% means 5 over 100 times 220 of the total cost is 220. So we simply find 0 and 0 we cross out. Now we have 5 and 10 become 1 over 2 simplified. 1 over 2 times 22, again 22 divided by 2 is 11. So that is extra charge, $11. So 220 plus 11. We got 231. That will be the answer for this question. Alright, 221 is the answer. Okay, hope this question is clear. Next question, 6. Question 6. Work out 6 1 over 4 divided by 1 2/3. Give your answer as a mixed number in the simplest form. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, you're done, guys. If not, you may pause this video. Let's check out the answer. So our answer will be 3 over 4. This is how it works. 6 1 4. We convert into improper fractions. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 1, 25 over 4 divided by 1 2/3 is 3 times 1, 3 plus 2 5, 5 over 3, and we convert the division into multiplication. As a result of that, we have to swap 5 and 3, and we times with 25 over 4 now become times 3 over 5. Cancel 25 and 5, we got 5. Now 5 times 3 is 15 over 4. Now 15 over 4 to convert into mixed fraction, mixed number, so 15 divided by 2. 2 times 7 is 14, subtract, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Now 1 is less than 2, so we put 1 at the top and 2 as the down number, so 7 1 2. Sorry guys, there's a mistake. It should be 4, so not 2, so 4 times 3 should be 12, so it's my mistake. 12, so we subtract this one, become 15 minus 2 is 3. So this is how we got 3. Now it's less than 4, so 3 put it up, 3 3, and 4 is down here. 3 3 4, that's the answer. So sorry, so this is the correct answer. Let's move on to question number 7. Question 7 say here is the net of a cuboid 5 3 3. Work out the surface area of the cuboid. How many cm? So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, if you are not done yet, you may pause this video. Here's the explanation. So the answer is 78 square centimeter. So we have the area is, this side is 3 by 3. So 3 by 3, 3 by 3, 2. So we times by 2. 3 times 3, 9 times 2, 18. Now this 5. 5 times 3, this will be 3 here. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 area, 4 times 5 by 3. So we got 4 times 5 times 3 is 60. So 60 plus 18 is 78. This will be our answer. Let's move on. Here we go. Now we are in question 8. Line AB is shown on the grid. Plot the points 0, negative 3 on the grid labeled C. It must be easy for you, right? So let's plot it. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So the answer will be 0, negative 3 is, yeah? 0, negative 3, C. Next question. A, B, C, D is a rectangle. Write down the coordinates of D. Now we have to find D. So if this A, B, C is here, we have to find D somewhere here. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Right, you got the answer. Let's check it out. So the answer D will be 6, negative 1 here, 6, negative 1. So this is how do we get D? That's the trick is from A to B we move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 to the left, 6 to the left, and 2 unit down. So to get point D, coordinate D, we have to move 2 unit up as the opposite of this, 2 unit up, 1, 2, and then 6 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's how we stop at D, where D is 6, 1, negative 1. That will be the answer for that. Next number. Now in question 9, complete the multiplication grid. Okay, I guess it's easy. 4 times 8 is 32, so 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Here you go. So 6 times 4 is 24, 9 times 4 is 36, 7 times 8 is 56, 9 times 7 is 63. So let's move on to the next one. Now in question 10, write these measurements in order from smallest to largest. So 0.13 kilometer, 30 meter, 200 meter, 0.127 kilometer. Smallest to largest, let 10 seconds. If you're not finished, you may pause this video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright guys, let's check out the answers. So here we go. This is the answer. So the trick is we convert everything to smaller unit, that is meter here. So 0.13, when we convert to meter, we times by 1000, because from kilometer to meter times by 1000. So that's how we got 130. So this is already in meter. Now this one the same, we times by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. That is the conversion that we have to remember. So times 3 become 1, 2, 3 times 1000. 30 means we move the decimal 1, 2, 3. So we move the decimal from 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. From the here we move the decimal, so we become 127 meters. Then we arrange from smallest is 30. Next we move to 127, but we have to write in the original question that is 0.127 kilometer. Next is 130 meter, 0.13 kilometer. Next will be 200 meter. That will be our answer. Remember, we have to write the answer in the original form, not the converted unit. Alright, let's move on to next number 11. Question 11. Babies born at a hospital are described as having low or medium or high mass at birth. The table shows some information about 200 babies born at the hospital last month. Question 8. Fill in the missing values in the table. Male, female total, low mass, medium mass, high mass, and the total. So some numbers are given. Male 18, female 22 for low mass babies. Then we have to fill in the empty slot. So question A is fill in the missing values in the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slots. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright guys, let's check out the answers. If you're not finished, you may pause this video. Here we go, this is our answer. Low mass total 18 plus 22 is 40. Medium mass, the question is for female, so we got this by 106 minus 46 to get 60. High mass, we get this one from 90 minus 18 and minus 46, we get 26. For the next is this one to fill. 200 minus 90 is 110. Then we get all done, and then what else is to find this one is 110 minus 60 minus 22 to get 28, and the last is this one, 26 plus 28 is 54. That's our answer. Next we do question 11b. Question B, one of the male babies is chosen at random. Find the probability that he has a medium mass. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Are you done guys? Let's check out the answers. So one of the male. So one of the male, it means the total should be 90. The total should be 90. So of the male means over 90. Is chosen at random. So from 90 males babies is chosen at random. Find that from that 90 males he has a medium mass. So medium mass is 46, so we put 46 over 90. 75 divided by 2 is 23 over 45. So that's it. 45. 23 over 45 is the simplest, as 23 is a prime number. 23 is a prime number. So that's the simplest answer that we get. So we write down here 23 over 45. Right, let's move on. Question 12. Samira owns a bookshop. She makes money from the cafe in the shop as well as from selling books. The bar chart shows Samira's profits between 2019 and 2021. Here is a graph, profit in thousands of dollars here, and light color is for cafe and darker colors for books here. Samira says my total profits have increased between 2019 and 2021. Write down one other comment to describe how her profits have changed between 2019 and 2021. So you got 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pause.
0.
Check out the answer, guys. So the other information can be, Samira will say my profit from selling books has decreased. Books has decreased between 2019 and 2021, but my profit from cafe has increased between 2019 and 2021. So books decrease, selling from cafe increases. Alright, let's move on. If you have any other possible answer, you may type down in the comment section. We'll reply to you. Next, question 13. Question 13 says, draw a ring around the fraction that is the largest. 7 over 10, 19 over 30, 11 over 15, or 2 over 3. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, are you done, guys? Let's check out the answers. So is the answer 11 over 15. So how do we do this? We have to compare this one all to 30, equalize the denominator. All should go to 30, which is the lowest common multiple of all this denominator. 10, 30, 15, 3, it all goes to 30. Then we times by 3 here. 7 times 3 is 21. 30 is, it is already in 30. Now 15 to go to 30 times 2, so 11 times 2 is 22. 3 times 10, 2 times 10 is 20. So then we have fraction that's the largest, is this one. That's the reason we circle 11 over 15 as our answer. So this is our answer. Now let's move on to another question, which is question 14. Question 14 says find the highest common factors of 39 and 52. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answers, guys. So the answer is 13, highest common factor. So we find the factor of 39 is 1, 3, 13, 39. Factor of 52 is 1, 2, 4, 13, 26, 52. And the highest common factor is 13 in this case. Easy, right? Alright, let's move on to number 15. To start with 15a, simplify 3m minus 8 and plus 7m plus 5m. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 1, 0.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So it's 3 plus 7 is 10m, minus 8 plus 5 is minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3, and that will be the answer. Let's move on to second question of number 15. It says expand the bracket. 4x in the bracket 7x minus 3 will be 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So it's the answer is quite easy. 4x times 7x 28x squared. 4x minus times negative 3 is negative 12x. That will be our answer. Next, we move on to next number. Question 16 says work out 4.2 times 3.6 plus 4.2 times 6.4. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is 42. Here's a trick. We don't have to use a calculator for this because people one, you are not allowed to use calculator. So what we can do is we factorize 4.2 out in front of bracket. Then put the bracket. What is left is 3.6 as the factor, and this one is 6.4. Then we can do mental math. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 6 plus 3 is 9. 9. So is 10.0, 3.6 plus 6.4 is 10.0, so 4.2 times 10 is 42. That's how we got the answer. Now let's move on to number 17. Question 17 says, draw a line to match each calculation to its correct answer. First one, 3 times 10 to the power of 3, 3 divided by 10 to the power of negative 2, 3 divided by 10 to the square, 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So which one is which? 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. Here we go. So 3 times 10 to the power of 3 is 3000. 3 to the power of 3 means 3 is 0. 3 divided by 10 to the power of negative 2 equals to 300. How does it work? So for this one, 3 divided by 10 to the power of negative 2 is equals to 3 divided by 1 over 10 squared. So to reverse the sign, we have to put it down as the denominator. Negative 2 become 2. Now this is a fraction, so we do change into multiplication and swap the top and bottom number. So 3 times 10 to the power of 2 is 100, becomes 300. Now 3 divided by 10 squared, 3 divided by 10 squared is 3 divided by 100. It means 3 over 100. So what we can do is we'll have 3 and then divided by, so we can put a decimal here. So 1, 2, then we get the slot for the 0. Then we put here 0, 0, and the decimal stop here. So 0.03, that will be our answer. 0.03. Next, 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So let me erase this one first. 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3. So it's 3 times 10 to the power of negative 3 is 1 over 10 cube. Equals to 3 times 1 over 10 cube is 1000. It means it goes to 3 divided by 1000. So if we have 3 divided by 1000 is 3, then we put decimal here. 3 is the same as 3.0. Now we move 3 times as there are 3 0. 3 times 1, 2, 3. Decimal stop here. And we just put in the 0. So 0.003. So that will be our answer. Alright, we hope it's clear. Next number. Question 18. Here's a sequence 7, 11, 15, 19, 23. Find the nth term for this sequence. What are the nth terms? So right here, first you wait on 10 seconds to find your answer first.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
So you got your answer, guys. Let's check it out. Well, the answer is 4n plus 3. How do you get that? So 7 from 7 to 11 is actually, we add by 4. So we keep adding by 4. Then we have, since it's adding by 4, we have the term called 4n now. For n equals to 1, because this is n is 1, it means the order is 1, this is n is 2, and this is n is 3, and so on. So n equals to 1, it has to go to 7, so 4 times 1 plus something is equal to 7. Then 4 times 1 is 4 plus something equals to 7. So that's how we got this value as 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have 4n plus 3. That will be our answer. Next, number 19. Question 19 says, draw a ring around the number that is nearest in the value to the square root of 74. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is 8.6 square root of 74. So we choose the nearest whole number that near 74 is, the square number is 64. 64 is 8 squared. Then after that, after 8 squared is 9 squared, 81. So 74 is between 64 and 81. Now 74 is roughly between, in the middle between 64 and 81, because 74 is we add 10 to get 74, and this one about plus 7 to get 81. So the answer should be a number roughly in the middle between 8 and 9. That will be 8.6. That will be our answers. Alright, next, number 20. 20 says a box of grapes costs $1.6. Work out the cost of 3 boxes of grapes. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So it will be $48. 31 box is 1.6, so 30 box is 30 times 1.6. So 3 times 10 is 30, is 3 times 10. We split this out as we want to. Times with 1.6 to eliminate the decimal. 10 times 1.6 is 16. Now we have 3 times 16, that is 48. So it's $48. Next, 21. Question 21 says write the missing index number in the box. Here, this is x to the power of 7 times x to the power of something over x to the power of 4 equals to x to the power of 8. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So the answer is x to the power of 5 as... How do we get that? So in here we have 7 and 4. So when it's division, we simplify the index by subtracting the index 7 minus 4 equals to x to the power of 3. And times the x to the power of something in the box, we have to get x to the power of 8. Now in multiplication, we simplify the index by add the index, so plus something to get x to the power of 8. Now we have the equation in the index is 3 plus a number equals to 8. So that number should be 5. That's how we got 5. Next, question 22 says Lily is trying to find out if boys or girls score generally higher marks in the test. She decides to find the mode, the median, and the range for each group. Here are the results of her calculation: boys, girls, mode, mean, range. Boys 52, mean 38.4, range 40. Girls 41, mean 41.2, range 36. Put a tick next to the group with the generally higher marks. Is it boys or girls? And explain your answer. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's check out the answers. So the answer is girls. The reason is girls have higher mean, 41.2, than boys, which is 38.4. Right, that will be our answer. Next, number 23. 23 says draw a ring in the incorrect statement. Is it this one, this one, this one, or this one? X plus y minus m. Is it equal to x minus n plus y? Or the second one, x plus a minus b. Is it equal to b minus a plus x? Or this one, t times m times c. Is it equal to c times t times m? V plus w in bracket divided by x. Is it equals to v plus w plus v divided by x? So which one? 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Let's check out the answer, guys. So our answer will be this one is the answer. Since we see that x plus a, and here is x plus a, in here is positive x, the same positive x, but a in here is positive a, in here is negative a, so it's the opposite sign, and b in here is negative b, and here is positive b. So this one is incorrect statement. It's not equals, but the rest are actually all equal. The rest are equal, so see v plus w over x is the same as w plus v over x is the same. This one. V plus W is equals to W plus V But the same apply to this. T times M times C is C times M times C. So the order doesn't matter in multiplication. And this one is x plus y in addition because minus M. So x the same, x positive x plus y at the back here. So we shift to the back. No. Negative m the same. So this is the only incorrect answer. Next, number 24. So question 24, cylinder A has a height of 10 cm. It is being filled with water. The graph shows how the height in cm of water in the cylinder changes with the time in seconds as cylinder A is filled. So this is the graph height of water in cylinder, and then time here. Question A, describe what the graph shows about the change in height of water after 2 seconds. Compare with before 2 seconds, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done, guys. Let's check out the answers. So the answer is the rate of change in the height of water is increasing after 2 seconds. So we only asked to describe, so that's what we can describe. This is the rate is increasing up to 2 seconds. Next, how do we know that? We can see from the slope is increasing. The line is more steep compared to the line before 2 seconds. Okay, next. Now we're in question 24b, the same question. Question B says cylinder B is identical to cylinder A. Cylinder B is filled with water so that the height of water increases at a constant rate of 1.25 cm per second. Now show this information on the same grid 10 seconds from now. For this question, it's good if you have it. Print out this question, screenshot it, and save it in your laptop, and print out. You can do it more easily on a piece of paper. 10 seconds from now to do this. If you have not finished in 10 seconds, you may pause this video.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So here's the correct answer. So we start the first point from 0, 0 is the origin, and 0, 0 here, and then since it has 10 cm, and it's a constant rate, so it should be straight line. So if 1 second is 1.25 centimeter, for getting to 10 centimeter, how many seconds is needed? So you can plot that 10 divided by 1.25, 10 divided by 1.25. So we count in here 10 divided by 1.25, we got 8. So 8 seconds is 10 cm. So 10 cm is 8 seconds. So we put here the line. So this is our second coordinate. Then we connect these two lines, these 2 points here and here. So we got this line. Alright, let's move on to the next. Number 25. Question 25 says a cyclist leaves home at 8:35. He travels 49 kilometers at an average speed of 14 kilometers per hour. Work out the time that he finishes his journey. 10 seconds.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, we got the answer. Let's check it out, guys. So the answer will be 12:05. How do we get that? For 49 kilometers the distance over the speed is 14. Distance over speed, we got the time. So 49 divided by 14 is 37 over 14, or 3.5. 7 over 14 is 3.5. Then we add 3 hours 30 minutes to the starting time is 8:35, so 3:30 add up to 8:35, so we have 5 plus 0 5, 3 plus 3 is 6 65, 8 plus 3 is 11. Now this is more than 60, so we split the 60 in 5, so 60 minutes is equals to 1 hour, so we add up 1 hour to 12 to 11, become 11 plus 1 is 12, and we have 0.5. That's how we got the answer. Now question 26 is a bonus as the answer is revealed. So work out 23 minus 3 times 3 in square. So we settle out the question in the bracket first, the numbers. So 23. Multiplication is the first priority, so we do minus 3 times 3 is minus 9. So 23 minus 9 is 14. 14 squared is 196. Now let's move on to question 27. Question 27 says draw a ring around the two calculations that have an answer smaller than 73. This is 73 times 0.26, 73 divided by 2 over 15, 73 divided by 0.49, or 73 times 3 over 7. 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So we have two rings, 73 times 0.26. The answer should be smaller than 73, so the idea is we have to times with a number that is smaller than 1, and 73 times 3 over 7, 3 over 7 is smaller than 1. But when divide, to get smaller answer, we have to divide with number greater than 1, as this one is smaller than 1. It will be wrong as when we times this, division convert into times, then we have to swap this one up and down, so it becomes 15 over 2. Now we have 73 times 15 over 2 is definitely greater than 73. The same apply to this one. When we divide a number smaller than 1, the answer will be greater than the number itself. Alright, so that will be how we got these two answers. Next, number 28. 28 says the diagram shows a scale of drawing of a garden. Scales 1 cm represent 5 meters. This is point A, B, and this is T. A shed is going to be put in the garden. It must be at least 15 meters away from site AB, 15 meters away, at least 20 meters away from the tree mark T here. Shade the region where the shade can be built. So it's good if you print this out first and try to do. You're given 10 seconds now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright guys, let's check out the answers. You may pause if you're not finished. So here we go, this is our answer. So we have 50 meters away from AB, here one. So we make a line. 1 cm represent 5 meters, so 50 meters will be 3 cm from AB. So we make 3 cm a line here, which is 3 cm from the line AB. This is 3 cm. So this line is done. The first step, second, at least 20 meters away from the tree mark T. So we make 20 meters, so we make a circle, or here is a quadrant with a radius of 20 divided by 5 is 4 cm. So the circle with radius 4 cm, that represents 20 meters, so then we do this. Now we have to shade here, which is 15 meter away at least. So this is our first shading for 15 meter away from line AB, and the horizontal red line is the shading for at least 20 meters away from the tree. So this one, so the overlapping area is this, so that it will be our answer. So this area is our answer. This one, the one that shaded in blue, is our answer. Okay, then from here to here, go to here. This is our answer. Next. Alright, question 29. The diagram shows a shape made from 5 identical cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down there. It's invisible. So on the grid, draw the elevation in the direction of the arrow here. Elevation, 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
So let's check out the answer, guys. So from front elevation is this one will be seen, and then so this one will be seen, this one also, and this one also. So we draw 3 boxes here. So 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that will be our answer for this question. Next, question 30. There is a rectangle on a coordinate grid. Here is the rectangle. The rectangle is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about vertex A. Now work out the coordinates of the image of vertex B after rotation 90 degrees clockwise. So 10 seconds from now here.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, let's check out the answer, guys. So we do rotation about vertex A and 90 degrees clockwise. So this one here, this is not moving, so all the rest will move 90 degrees. For this one, go to red one. This one is rotating to here, and this one, this side is go to this green one. So it's rotating this way 90 degree or 90 degrees. So we got the answer. So B is this. So B will go to this one. So it's 4 by -2. That will be our answer. If you need further explanation about rotation, please feel free to write in the comment section. We will explain to you further with another video. Now we are in question 31. A and B are two numbers where A is between 0 and 1 and B is greater than 1. Take to show if each statement is true or false. A minus B is smaller than 0, A squared greater than A, AB greater than B, and B over A is greater than B. So 10 seconds from now.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Right, let's check out the answer, guys. If you have not finished, you may pause this video. So here's our answer. So A minus B smaller than 0 is true. So A is a, let's say A is 0.5 minus B is, let's say, 2, and then this is will become less than 0, so this is 2. Now A squared greater than A squared, let's say A squared, A is 0.5 squared greater than A is 0.5, so 0.25 is greater than 0.5. So this is wrong, so got this answer wrong, so it's correct. Next, A times B is greater than B, so let's say A is 0.5 times B is 2, it's greater than B is 2, so 0.5 times 2 is 1, 1 greater than 2 is not correct, so this is false. B over A, let's say B is 2 over A 0.5 greater than B is 2, so 2 divided by 0.5 is 4, greater than 2 is 2. So that's how we got our answer. So just take a number that fit this range and try it out, and you get the answer. Alright, this is our last number. So today we have discussed Mathematics Checkpoint, paper 1, October 2022. For lower secondary, this is our new code 0862 for this past paper. For the Mathematics for lower secondary Cambridge, the new code is changed from 1112 into 0862/01 paper 1. And check link in the description for other useful videos. And click this button under this video if you open through YouTube, and you will go to our home page and go to playlist section, then you will find all other useful videos lots and lots of other subjects and the most recent updated past paper. Subscribe, click subscribe button on the right side of this symbol in YouTube and ring the bell, and like is under the P logo. It is our website address for this channel. Bye bye, and if you have any question, please feel free to write down in the comment section of any idea, input, or inquiry. So today's discussion is conducted by Sleepy Tuition Online. We provide tuition for all the subject and syllabus. Email us if you are interested to join with us with affordable price. So we provide full complete set of past paper with explanation for those who join our package, and also one-to-one interactive meeting. Bye bye, and see you in the next video. And we hope today's discussion will be helpful to you, and God bless you.